Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. In the last video, I talked about a seminar that we are conducting on Friday, and we'll be discussing how to prepare for SEBI Grade A exam in 5-6 months. I have also asked if you need a study plan or not, and many students have asked for that. So in this video, I'm going to give that 5-6 month study plan for you. Go through that study plan, understand what you need to study on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, and then you can join this seminar on Friday, 25th of August at 7:30 p.m. and discuss all your queries with Prachi ma'am and with Pratik sir. Both of them will be there to guide you to answer all your queries related to any of the subjects that are coming in SEBI Grade A exam. It could be economics, finance, accounts, costing, management, Companies Act. So you can get all your queries resolved and start your preparation using the study plan that I'm going to share in this video. Before moving further, I want to address one query. Many students are talking about notification. We don't know anything about the notification date. We are expecting the exam somewhere in end of 2023 or in the starting of 2024, but nothing can be said for sure. Second thing, we are just advising you. We are just guiding you to prepare, to be prepared when the exam comes. If you want to wait for the notification, that's your call. If you think that you can prepare in 45 days, 2 months, which you will get after the notification, that's your call. If you are preparing for SEBI exam, or let's say you are preparing for any exam, quant, reasoning, English, GA, and a majority of the subjects are common, you will eventually clear one or the other exam. So that is what we are advising you to do. Anyway, for all the aspirants who are going to start their preparation, who have started their preparation, are stuck, who are not able to focus on their preparation, who are missing that motivation level, they can join the seminar at 7:30 p.m. on 25th August to just get these queries resolved, to just get motivated again, pushed again to continue with their preparation. Moving to the study plan. This is the SEBI Grade A General Stream Study Plan for working professionals. Now here if you see, the time commitment that I'm expecting from you is 3 to 4 hours on a daily basis as your working professional, and on weekends the time can considerably increase to 7-8 hours, which is considered as ideal time given the 5-6 months. You can find the study plan in the description below. You can download it and you can start your preparation for this exam. So here I am asking you to spend 1 hour daily on GA and 2-3 hours for paper 2 subjects, which includes economics, finance, costing, etc. Then for quant, reasoning and English, we are keeping Saturday, and also we are going to attempt mock test on Saturday. Sunday will be revision day for you. Now here if you see, every day you have to spend half an hour on the newspaper and half an hour on the daily BPDA. 2-3 hours you are going to spend on the concepts of accounts, management, various topics that are mentioned. Saturday you can keep for quant, shortcut tricks you have to study and you have to practice questions on that. And on day 7, that is Sunday, you have to revise the paper 2 subjects. Now if some of the topics were not complete, you can also wrap them up on Sunday and revise the remaining ones. So on a similar pattern for every week in this study plan, you are expected to study some topics. Then mock tests are also mentioned, when you can start attempting mock tests, when you can start attempting essay writing. If you enroll in our course, you will find mock tests for all the papers. You will find mock tests for English. You will find important essay list. If you are studying through your own sources, or you even don't know the sources which you can use to prepare, please join the seminar so that Prachi ma'am and Pratik sir can guide you which free sources you can use. But let me tell you, the content at iExamB is crisp and exam relevant. You can check that out from the demo of the course. If we move ahead, you will see on a similar pattern, various topics are mentioned, and this study plan is for 5-6 months, around 25 weeks. Try to cover up the syllabus using this study plan. And on a similar pattern, I have also created a study plan for non-working professionals. It is expected that non-working professionals can devote 5 to 6 hours on a daily basis for their studies. Their study plan will be a little bit different. They can devote more time. Thus, on some of the days, they can also start their preparation for QRE, as you can see in the study plan that is attached in the description below. Now, if you have any queries, you can mention in the comment box. You want to know more about our course, you can call us on this number. You want any guidance, any direction, we are there for you at this number. Our Exambi helps you prepare 50% faster with crisp and concise content. Check out our demo for that. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.